Dear friends, we have our Union Minister Sri Rajiv Chandrasekharji amongst us and our Union Minister of State Sri Muruganji amongst us. Our Tamil Nadu in charge for 2024 Lok Sabha election Sri Arvind Menon ji. Our state's co-in charge and the election co-in charge Sri Ponguleti Sudhakar Reddy ji. Our Mahila Morcha National President MLA from Coimbatore, Vanathi Srinivasan Akka, avargal is with us. And our Assembly floor leader, Nainar Nagendran Anna. And our former Union Minister of State, Sri Pon Radhakrishnan Anna. And our in charge for the state new joining and former MP, Sri KP Ramalingam Anna. All of us are on the stage. Today is a great occasion for Tamil Nadu. And our media in charge who opened the proceedings, Anna, is also with us. Today is a great occasion for BJP Tamil Nadu, where very esteemed members from different political parties, they have seen the happenings in our country for the last 9 years. And they all have decided in unison that 2024 elections, our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji is going to come back to power for the third straight time with a resounding mandate. And all the new joinees who are on the stage along with us, they have decided to strengthen the hands of Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji in the state of Tamil Nadu. And the new joinees today, very, very senior leaders, they carry with them wealth of experience, very, very huge amount of experience. Some of them are in politics for the last 50 years. And some of them were in political parties when it got founded in the state of Tamil Nadu. And today they all have come here to our party headquarters in New Delhi to join Bharatiya Janata Party and to take blessings from our Honorable National President Sri J.P. Nadda ji. We take this opportunity on behalf of our senior leaders who are on the stage to warmly welcome them. And they have very carefully seen the political happening in the state of Tamil Nadu. And at one time, this is the first time in Tamil Nadu BJP, at one time we have 15 former members of Legislative Assembly and one former member of Parliament, 16 people joining the party today. And we have 2 more former MLAs who have joined the party already during the ongoing Yenman Yenmakkal Yatra, different phases. So altogether 18 people, they have come to the stage today. It is my duty to introduce each of these leaders one by one. I will take this opportunity to introduce Thiru K. Vadivelu avargal. Sri K. Vadivelu avargal, he has been elected as member of Legislative Assembly from Karur Assembly constituency in
राजीव जी पैनल मुर्गन आप बोलते जाइए सर एक एक
मुरुगन जी sir, you keep giving, sir. I'll keep talking. Sir, you want to பண்ணுங்க நீங்க இப்படி வாங்க. ஆனா இன்ட்ரோ듀ce பண்ணதுக்கு அப்புறம் வாங்க ஜிந்தாபாத் மோடி ஜி ஜிந்தாபாத் மோடி ஜி ஜிந்தாபாத் ஐயா நான் ஒருத்தர அறிமுகப்படுத்தினதுக்கு அப்புறம் முன்னாடி வாங்க ஐயா வடிவேல் அவர்கள் 2-time MLA from ADMK party, today he has joined BJP. Next, the second in the list is R. Duraisamy, popularly called as Challenger Durai. He was an MLA in 2011 from the ADMK party from Coimbatore. Today he is joining us. We welcome him warmly. Jai. Zindabad. The third in the list is M.V. Ratnam, 2-time MLA from Pollachi Assembly constituency and a very senior leader from the AIDMK party. We welcome him very warmly to BJP.
अन्नामलाई जी को गुलाब दो, गुलाब दीजिए.
மோடி ஜி
ஜிந்தாபாத்.
மோடி ஜி
வாழ்க.
மோடி ஜி
வாழ்க வாழ்க. Next in the list is Thiru R. Chinnasamy Anna, former MLA from Singanallur, Coimbatore, 2006 and 2011, 2 terms. Very senior leader from the ADMK party, formerly the president of ADMK Labour Wing. So we welcome him very warmly to Bharatiya Janata Party.
பாரத் மாதா கே பாரத் மாதா கே மோடி ஜி
வாழ்க வாழ்க.
மோடி
Thank you. நன்றி. கடைசி லிஸ்ட் எடுத்துக்கலாம். ஃப்ரண்ட்ல இல்லையா? ஃப்ரண்ட்ல வர சொல்லலாம். The next in the list is Thiru P.S. Kandaswamy avargal, former MLA from Aravakurchi Assembly constituency in the period 1980 to 84, a very senior leader from the AIADMK party. We welcome him warmly to Bharatiya Janata Party today. வாழ்க வாழ்க. வாழ்க வாழ்க. வாழ்க வாழ்க. The next in the list, Thiru V.R. Jayaraman, senior advocate and a senior leader of the ADMK party. He was a 3-time MLA from Theni Assembly constituency. We welcome him warmly to Bharatiya Janata Party. Jayaraman.
नाम की सूची मिल जाएगी आपको.
Sir, will give.
नाम की सूची.
The next in the list is Amma Gomathi Srinivasan, 3-time MLA, former minister for Animal Husbandry Department, 1980 to 84, 84 to 87, 1996, and Madam is joining Bharatiya Janata Party along with her family members today.
भारत माता की
Jai,
भारत माता की
Jai,
भारत माता की
Jai.
मोदी जी मोदी जी
Valga, valga,
मोदी जी
valga, valga. The next on the list is Thiru S.M. Vasan Ayya, former member of Legislative Assembly, representing Vedasandur Assembly Constituency, Dindigul. So today he is joining Bharatiya Janata Party in presence of all our leaders. We warmly welcome him.
பாரத் மாதா கே
Jai,
பாரத் மாதா கே
Jai.
மோடி ஜி மோடி
The next on the list is Thiru Tangarasayya, former member of Legislative Assembly, Andimadam constituency. His father was also a Congress MLA, Ramalingam Padayachi Ayya. So today he is joining Bharatiya Janata Party. We warmly welcome him. So he is from the Congress Party, Indian National Congress. Valga, 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 valga.
भारत माता की
Jai,
भारत माता की
Jai,
भारत माता की
Jai,
भारत माता की
Jai,
भारत माता की
Jai. The next in the list is Thiru Arul Anna, former member of Legislative Assembly, Bhuvanagiri Assembly constituency from AIADMK. We welcome him warmly to Bharatiya Janata Party. Arul Anna. He is coming, sir. Arul Anna. Sudhakar Reddy ji, Adai Madam ji, Vanati Akka அங்க இருக்கிறாங்க. வாழ்க 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 வாழ்க. The next on the list is Gurunathan Ayya. He was a DMK MLA in Palayamkotte Assembly constituency. Later he joined ADMK. So we welcome warmly Gurunathan Ayya to Bharatiya Janata Party today.
भारत माता के. भारत माता के.
Jai.
मोदी जी
வாழ்க வாழ்க
मोदी जी
வாழ்க வாழ்க
मोदी जी.
வாழ்க வாழ்க. The next in the list is Amma Tirumadi Selvi Murugeshan avargal, very senior leader from previously ADMK party, Kangayam Assembly constituency, 2001 to 6 MLA. She joined DMK post that, and we welcome her warmly to Bharatiya Janata Party today.
भारत माता की भारत माता की भारत माता की मोदी जी
வாழ்க வாழ்க
मोदी जी
வாழ்க வாழ்க
मोदी जी
வாழ்க வாழ்க. The next on the list is Thiru Tamil Alagan, former member of Legislative Assembly, Thittakudi Assembly constituency, 2011 to 16. He represented DMDK party, Vijay Ji's party. Today is joining BJP. We welcome him warmly. வாழ்க 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 வாழ்க. The next on the list is Thiru Rajendran Ayya, former member of Legislative Assembly, Kattumannar Kovil, from the AIDMK party. We welcome him warmly.
भारत माता की
Jai.
मोदी जी
வாழ்க வாழ்க. The next in the list is Tirumadi Amma Dr. R. Rohini avargal, former member of Legislative Assembly from the Kulathur Assembly constituency, Pudukkottai district, from the ADMK party. We welcome her warmly to Bharatiya Janata Party today. Jai. 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 The next on the list is Dr. Kulundevelu Ayya, former member of parliament, very eminent doctor. He represented the 7th Lok Sabha parliament, 1980 to 1984. Very senior leader from the DMK party. He is joining Bharatiya Janata Party today. We welcome Kulundevelu Ayya very warmly to our party. வாழ்க 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 வாழ்க. Two other former member of Legislative Assembly, they have joined the party in the recent past. We would like to acknowledge them. I invite Thiru Muthukrishnan Ayya, former MLA 1980 to 84, and Venkadachalam Ayya, former MLA 2001-6 Salem. So both are from the ADMK party. They have already joined the party in Tamil Nadu, but we are welcoming them in our national party headquarters. Only shawls.
माता की
Shawls.
भारत माता की भारत माता की जय
भारत माता की भारत माता की भारत माता की
Sir, he is putting shawl for you. இருக்கட்டும் sir. Join. So 1 minute, sir. I would like to thank somebody, sir. ஒரே நிமிஷம் thank you சொல்லுங்க. Thank you சொல்றேன். உட்காருங்க. We take this opportunity to thank our KP Ramalingam Anna, who is our in charge for the new joining committee, our Cholan Palanisamy, former member of Legislative Assembly, and our Nilakottai Anbalagan Anna, who is the former member of Legislative Assembly. There is Sai Suresh Anna, who is our state president for OBC. There is Nainar Nagendra Anna, our floor leader, for making sure Tamil Nadu is going the Bharatiya Janata Party way. They were instrumental in making sure all of these leaders have joined the party today with the encouragement and active support of Arvind Menon ji, Ponguletti Sudhakar Reddy ji, our Murugan ji, Pon Radhakrishnan Anna. So we take this opportunity to thank all the eminent members who have come here. And there are also other people who have come with them. Their family members have come with them. They are also joining the party today. They are also sitting in this room. I acknowledge them, and they will also join the party once this function is over. Thank you very much.